back to another vlog. If you are new here, hi, my name is Chevelle. Welcome to Back So Chev. Today's Wednesday. I'm currently working and I'm also helping my son with his homework. 1 second, guys.
Cooking and
No. Come. Veronica, come, you read it. You try. Veronica. Campbell. Brown
is now
known
for
okay, what is she known for?
green.
No.
Cricket.
No.
Track and field.
Yes, she's known for track and field. So right, track and field. I don't think they mentioned that in the book. I think they're just asking us. Hold on, let mommy check.
No track and field.
It's track and field. I'm just checking to see if they mentioned it. Okay. So they didn't mention it in the book. Alright guys, sorry about that. This vlog is going to be covering our anniversary. Our anniversary is this weekend. Just want to say happy anniversary to my husband and I. It has been some beautiful years. The ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, the goods, the bads. It has been beautiful regardless. It has been rough. It has been, it has. Tomorrow, Friday, today's Wednesday, but I say tomorrow, Friday. Friday, I have plans set for him. You guys stay tuned for that. I'm not telling you guys what we have planned. You should see by the thumbnail, you should see what we have planned, right? And it's going to be an amazing one. If you have not already, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy, okay? Don't be stingy. Please stick around for the rest of the vlog. I promise it won't be boring. You guys have seen a fit before. I call this like my little errand dress. I wear this for like when I need to just go, especially like a day like today when it's a wax. I just need to go, okay? Hubby's not coming for me. I'm gonna be taking a taxi. He called the taxi because he has to make sure that his wife is safe and secure. My driver is here. All right. So I just finished with my appointments, waiting on hubby to come pick me up. It is still pouring rain. It's still pouring outside. But yeah, after this, I don't have nothing else planned after this. After this is just going straight home. I am craving for some minced beef pasta. So I'll probably stop at the grocery store and get the stuff to make the pasta. Good morning guys, good morning. It is Friday. It is the day that we are going out. Today is the day that I have hubby's surprise. So I'm finishing up some work, and then when I finish work I am going to go get ready, and we're not going to spend the weekend away. We're going to spend tonight and tomorrow. So tomorrow, the 14th, is our anniversary. So we're going to spend tonight and tomorrow away, and then come back tomorrow evening, tomorrow afternoon, to come back to our kids. Yeah. So I got something I want to show you guys. Give me a second. So I got this kit, right? Because when I tell you I have plans for us today, I have plans, okay? I want to make this anniversary really romantic because it's a special amount of years. I'm not sure if I feel comfortable anymore sharing on social media certain things, because it's not everybody who's happy for you, right? So certain things, I feel like keeping certain things a little bit more private. So I may not share the amount of years that we've maybe married, but we've been married, right, for a good couple of years now. Wanted to make this anniversary really special, so I got us a painting kit. I got this from Painterly, the brand Painterly. You can find them on Instagram. So this is what we'll be painting. It's going to be a sunset. Right, can you see it? That's what we're going to be painting. And then in the box, it gives you directions. Perfect for date night, girls night, celebration, kids, adults, blah, 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 blah. Right? And then they already drew everything. All we have to do is paint it. So yeah, I'm excited about that. So in this box we get the two pre thing there. We get these two already. We get instructions. We got two canvases, two easels, two of these, two set of colors, and the easel, you know, the easel is a thing that you put the paint on. This, and we got the brushes, and we got the aprons. So that is what we got in the box. I absolutely love it. 2 cups with the paint brushes and napkin and everything to clean up the boxes. She did her thing with this. Thank you so much, Malika. I appreciate you very much for this. I'm excited to get into painting. I'm excited to see what's in store for our weekend, what he has planned. I'm excited. This is a little traveling bag that Tiffany gave me. Hey Siri, what's the weather in St. Thomas like? Is it raining? Thanks, Siri. The rain is pouring down in Kingston and it's not falling in St. Thomas, so we're late, but it is what it is. waters in the
See,
beach.
drain the sunlight, the fire, soil, the water.
Look beach down there.
9 million. Drain the right 9 million, this is about to the amount of water. Shit. So good for the cat.
We're almost there, guys. I had to throw on hubby's t-shirt because it was getting cold in here. The rain, the AC, it was getting cold. The rain licked off our front bumper. The heavy waters, yeah, bumped off our bumper, but we're almost there. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is my first time going to Bob Marley Beach, so I'm excited for the beach. I'm excited to see the beach. But I'm overall excited for the whole experience. So we stopped to buy something to eat because I heard that they don't have food down there. So we're getting some bun and cheese right now. I haven't had bun and cheese in like forever. Who's some of the...
The towel them cause the breeze that blow them away.
Okay. How are you?
Hello, hey.
Good. How are you?
Long time I not see you.
Long time. Alright.
You want me? You good?
I will tell Bob Marley about the beach, you know. Come on, you know about the beach, you know.
If I ever tell them, oh, we have to move from down there to come up there to
Really?
War.
What?
Yeah. No one go under there because too much people there.
Right.
Right. There. The man them are post and say a public beach, whatever. So I said to the lady, say, I can't get under fear. I don't want hello no.
No put nothing.
ground.
Yeah, put it on the ground. Next thing you hear say,
Yeah. So she show me, I tell her I can't take hers because it have two bench and the sun not out either.
Right.
So she can't go in one space. So them customer off say, we have to go pay for the space. So she'll say, she will deal with.
right.
So I say, Sunday one we just move, so she carry we down here. So I don't want to go under no for nobody.
Right.
No.
I get you. Gotcha.
There's a Bob Marley never know about the beach, man. Bob Marley didn't know. Only for police, I love Bob Marley.
So something them cause them a blow away.
Alright.
You take the door.
You know.
Husband here.
Does he see
I say,
me?
make sure come out.
I want some in our apartment.
What? Only one for me and in.
Want some in our apartment.
Yeah. Woo. It's chilly though. My gosh.
The rain upon that side. I want to come to the rain then.
Cause you know what? You know. Guys, hubby is saying that we may have to leave because he has something planned. So, yeah. I don't know. Mitch.
I have a question for this.
I have a question. From where? Oh, for you. For your service? It was good. It was really good. It was relaxing. You were gentle, not too hard. She was gentle. Pressure wasn't rough. She was good.
But think that the pressure didn't hard.
No, it wasn't. For me, I would have.
Then must see your finger set. So
No, that's how I am. Remember when nothing in my body knows how to be still?
You go up and learn. You full time you're learning. No,
Nothing in my body, nothing in me knows how to relax. So that was.
So you're gonna be one of them old man.
If anything, I would have liked for her to put more pressure.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because even like in my calves, when you were doing my calves, I did need that, but I would have wanted more pressure. Yeah.
Talk to me, man. Trust me, I would have.
Not even you supposed to talk. She can talk, but I don't like she gonna say, put more pressure.
But overall, it was good. Yeah, man. Overall, it was good. I was relaxed-ish, but that's not on you. That's all on me.
No, I thought the pressure was a lot because she must see her.
No, that's just me.
I'm put your back in when I said that she should have
I know that I was looking at what you were doing. I mean,
same body different from her.
Same one, you have to put the pressure down in there.
Yeah, but you still not want to put
too much pressure.
It will be
right.
as long as you never feel no pain.
No, man, no pain. No pain, absolutely none. No pain. What I tell you? At AC Hotel. We're not going far because we just mentally we just don't want to go far. We don't want to go far right now, far away from our kids. So if anything, we're still in Kingston. Yeah. So we're gonna chill out at AC Hotel. I'm excited. Granted, it was a surprise. It is a surprise. So I'm excited. I'm so excited to be here. But you guys see what I mean, right? You guys see what I mean? I'm like, babe. You can't have me checking in the people them hotel looking like this. And he's like, how do you look? I'm like, what do you mean, how do I look? This is suitable for the beach. This is not suitable for AC Hotel. I don't have like a dress to change off into. I don't have like a dress to change off into. I don't have a dress to change off into. So I don't know. So this is what I'm stuck with right now. So yeah. Welcome to AC Hotel. Listen, to God be the honor, the glory, and the praise. Things like these were once a dream. No, they're no longer a dream, okay? We're actually doing these things, all right? we're actually doing these things. Did I show you guys the shower? It's a big man and there's a big man and a big woman shower this tonight. Oh. Oh my god, I'm excited. I'm so excited, guys. I am going to go take a shower so that we can get ready for dinner. It's a good thing I packed for us to go to dinner, but I'm just like, our anniversary is tomorrow. Why would you not pack for dinner, right? Right. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower now. You guys are probably gonna help me to choose something to wear. I didn't really pack anything much because I wasn't sure what he was up to. Hi guys, so here's the fit for the anniversary. Alright, so is anything else to you guys?
You're supposed to didn't understand and so they were
Can just smell the coffee.
you can just reserve a seat first.
Morning. You know what I won't carry my lip balms. Do I wait on somebody? Seat for two? Table for two?
Table for two?
Good morning, guys. Good morning. We're at breakfast. I was gonna take you guys with me to get some breakfast, but hubby's gone to put our bags in the car, so I don't want to carry my phone and my camera, and, you know, yeah. So I'll show you guys what I get when I get back. After breakfast, we just went back up into the room, chilled a little bit. I'm so mad I didn't show you guys the view. Oh my gosh, like we were just all right. I am learning to live in the moment with my husband. I'm learning that everything does not have to be presented on social media. I am learning to keep some things sacred. So one, we were just chilling. Two, hubby had business calls, I had business calls, so we were both there handling some business calls, and we were just taking in everything. So yeah, I do apologize that, you know, I didn't get to show you guys the view of the room. It was so beautiful. It was beautiful. It was a mountain view and a little bit of the city and everything. It was beautiful. I'll show you guys a clip from my phone, but it was beautiful. Look, you want to say hi to my YouTube channel?
Love and peace and happy anniversary.
Huh?
How do you know this?
Me?
You need everything in this?
No.
Yeah. You want looking at this when you need?
Hey, just carry the bag, man. Stop going to man. Now be an extra man. Hi.
How are you?
Good.
No complaints.
Okay, 9P?
Yeah.
The party.
Blank.
Okay, so it's 3,000 per person, round trip. Right, yeah.
At same like.
You don't know, I believe you. Anything you put your mind to, I know you will do it. Once the finances arrive.